So, so over here I have Notepad opened where it is main.lua, and over here is connect.lua. So this video I will be creating a password creator, a random password creator, so you can see. And these are 0 bytes, it's 2 bytes. I don't know, but it's okay. This one is 0 byte, I'm pretty sure. So over here we have both the files open, and I guess I will try to make it easy. So first of all, let's go to connect.lua. Well, I just call it, and first of all make the function love.conf and t. Let's send that quickly. I want the window to have log, I mean console, so t.console is equals to true. And let's also write title. So title will be what should be the title? Password creator. So password creator, and it's completely random. So let's like random. Should it be? Yeah, it's good for password creator only. Now over here, anything else we want? I guess we can shorten the window height and length. Okay, but this much is enough. So we'll just close that, go to main.lua and name it as password creator. So it's not necessary, but I'm making an easy one, and you can also do that by making you can also make that for Android and iOS and any system. So I will try to make such type of password creator. So it's not important that we will have log. You need to have console, but I will have for history. So let's do like function love.load. Let's give it an end, and then let's code it like there will be a password that is nothing. So actually I have pasted the general, I made this list earlier. So I listed out the passwords, general characters, and these includes like symbols and numbers and all those things. So it's better to have like these. So these are the most common ones, I guess, that I think are common. So let's just scroll it quick. So it's caps, small, lowercase, uppercase, numbers, and symbols. So we can also do like something like okay, that will be the next stage. But for now, let's do like password strength also. So password will be strength based. So generally it's something about 8 to 12 password, but because this is a strong password maker, so why not 11 to 15. So somewhere like between 11 and 15, mm, let's like 13. Should it be? I guess it should be. So 13 must be a good password strength. Now we'll define something that is called create password. The video is already too long, I guess. I don't know how much long to go. How much is it, by the way? Is it very long? No, it's just 5 minutes. Okay, so password, create password, and yes, don't forget the war function before it. And let's give it end. So we will write here strength. Let's just write str. Okay, strength. Full word strength. Now over here we will write for. So we want to make a loop, or we want to loop for at least, actually strength type only, not at least. So for strength we will do like this. So this will repeat this process strength time. Let's end this, and over here we will write password equals password, and what's that? Okay, ch mat dot random, and we can set something like max limit of randomness, but let's for here do like also 1 comma hashtag ch, so it can take any random number and any symbol. Yeah, but I don't want that our password will start from any symbol or number. So I guess it's something like first 52 alphabets only, first 52 characters, that is our alphabets only. So we will do something like password is equals to ch and mat dot random 1 comma 52. So it's good now and working. But if you want, if you don't want that, like you only want, or actually it's like you can take any, if you want any character in the starting, if it will be applicable, then instead of this line you can first do like this, and I would suggest to do this first, because it's like, yeah, it's correct that you don't have any password now. So now it's like over here, and yes, in the function, in the table, don't forget to write something. I will try to provide this table in the description if possible. Yes, it will not be. Still, now over here we will do something like password is equals to password, and just like mat dot random 1 comma 52. Now how to activate the password, how to make one, and actually over here only, not over here. Yeah, here I will print the password in the log table in the console, and I guess we will have a history. Now next thing, function rough.draw and rough.graphics.print password, and then I guess let's like 1 comma 1 comma, okay, 5, and then okay, this is really hard. 0 comma 1.25 comma 1.25. So this is the scale, this is the angle of text, and we need a very large, actually. So let's go ahead, do something like function love dot mouse pressed, because I'm using a computer or laptop. So first of all, we need mouse. Now over here we will not need any of this special arguments. So let's do like if mouse pressed, if mouse key is any of that is down, it's 10 minutes now. So let's like create password. In the brackets we will write password strength and then do something like love dot, or actually not here, let's go ahead and do something like over here love dot system dot get clipboard text. So this will copy the password. Yes, don't forget to write here password. So password, and you will have your password copied. And for touchscreen, just like you can right here this and change that this mouse to touch, and it will automatically just activate for touch also. Well, in touch devices it may be very hard for you to see console, so I would suggest not to use console in it, but you can use, it's not a big deal, but it will not work, it will not show. Save this file and let's test this out. Here is the, let's try it. Well, you need to follow the code should be same for the it's just what's different is that okay, it's here. Here is the same password, and over here if we control V, what what's that? Okay, that's get clipboard text. We need that right set. Okay, we need to restart. Other than starting mechanism, the code is all same. Yes, you can change the code. So the first password will always be same. By default is a bug from love. So see, is it crashed? Okay, it is crashed. We need to close it, or else screen recorder may just close it. So that's the problem of console, otherwise it's all okay. But because we had something, control V, see, we have the password. Yeah, so let's save it, and yeah, that's how you make password. Just you can actually make a slider for doing the like setting the range, but that's it. Yeah, that's it. You were currently viewing Attachment Studios, and again that's it.